Hello again. It seems like tapes and CDs are making a resurgence for some reason. The vintage tech from when I was a kid seems to be popular with the Gen Alphas, I guess, and they're goddamn right. Today I've got these It's Real and some other ones that do other dead formats, and we're gonna have a look at them. They seem to be Bluetooth speakers, and they hold the secrets to the vintage analog technology. And to help me investigate this old dead technology, I've got LMG's own youngin', Mark.
Hey, you might remember me from the time that I copied Linus's VHS tape to digital. That one time.
So first, let's take a look at this It's Real Bluetooth tape deck thing. If you want to get rid of those, we'll have a look at this. Mark, what do you think about the resurgence of tape in this modern era?
I'm for it.
Yeah.
Preserving this kind of stuff is important. There's a lot of stuff on tapes. What is this?
I don't know. Oh my God, it's a lot bigger than I was expecting.
What?
Jesus, that's cool. So it's clear. The base isn't clear. I wanted to get back to the 90s with clear everything would have been kind of nice. Look at this. Just got a little flip up top there. So apparently this little thing is the Bluetooth 5.0 transmitter. I can see it's got a little battery cell in there. God, I love it. Clear plastic. If only we made a clear screwdriver, that would be pretty cool. Looks like it's got a USB-C thing in here. There's an on switch. Does it have any LEDs? It does. Look at that. I guess that's for pairing. That's cool. This thing is also all clear. Yeah, this looks like a tape deck. Yeah, those feel like nice, hard, clicky buttons. That's cool. What do you think? Too hard?
No, it's about right.
Okay.
It's a single head. There's no recording.
Okay, well that's understandable, I guess. But why is the Bluetooth module like a separate
that's
tape? Wouldn't you want it to do that?
I feel like it could be in here. Does that just mean this is a Bluetooth speaker?
Yes.
So, but you can't connect a tape to a Bluetooth speaker.
Maybe this is Bluetooth in, and this one does Bluetooth out. That's my hope. We'll find out.
It's better built than I expected.
Me too. It doesn't feel very cheap, even though it's mostly made of plastic. It's all nice and sturdy. It looks like it's kind of the traditional layout of an actual tape deck. You know, they got the big old original motors. It's got basically everything that looks like every tape deck I've seen inside, which is kind of neat. The form factor seems pretty good. I guess it's got batteries. Yeah, this is pretty vintage.
So it has to be plugged in if you want to use it.
Yeah, or we need to put batteries in it.
How much life do you think the batteries give you? That's 4 AA's.
4 AA's, tape deck, I don't know. It's just running a small motor, maybe a good day or 3.
For I/O, you got USB Type-C and just your 3.5 mil audio out. And because it doesn't have record, I'm assuming this is just an audio out. It's got a little volume control and an on-off switch. Battery charging. All right, so apparently you can charge your batteries with this thing.
That's kind of nice.
But don't put like alkalines in this, because
might explode.
It might explode or corrode.
Or damage them at least, or maybe the machine.
Yeah.
That's neat.
I mean, I like, more stuff should have this.
Yeah, it's dangerous and confusing to include though, because now you gotta make sure that they're charging properly. But that's really nice.
Yeah.
I've not seen that before. Instead of just putting one of these lithium packs in there, you can actually just use rechargeables. And I know we use a bunch here anyway, so that's cool.
Oh, and just to clarify, that's only if you plug it in with an alkaline in it.
And
alkalines will
set it
work.
to charging.
Yeah. If you're romantic enough.
What? Go in the backside?
Maybe after this word from our sponsor.
Thanks to Lexar for sponsoring this video. Their professional workflow dock is designed with media creation in mind, with 6 modular memory bays for speed and versatility. Its 2 Thunderbolt 4 bays reach transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, supports 8K monitor support, and you even get a 140 watt GAN charger with a replaceable plug. Get 20% off the entire Lexar workflow series of products using our link in the description today.
These are alkalines, so let's not plug it into USB.
Oh, I can hear it moving.
Oh, you have it on rewind.
Why don't you grab some tapes and we'll have a look. Now, do you think there's any reason why we should even like have tapes in the modern era? Like, are they analog? Are they digital? Are they comparable?
There's no real benefit to them. I mean, not anymore.
No?
Is this?
What about, we got David Bowie, the Best Buy series. Jesus Christ.
Hit me hard and soft. Why is there no...
This is Billie Eilish. Oh yeah, so this one's actually available on her store to buy.
She's still...
Like now. There we go.
Oh, I see.
Sounds like tape.
Yeah.
I kind of like it. It's even got a thing to stop the tape if it gets jammed or something, which is kind of nice. How fast is our rewind? Nice fast rewind. Yeah. I don't know, I think tape is cool. I think having this back is nice. I've always kind of liked tape. It's been a dream of mine for a long time to get an actual big reel-to-reel machine, which is just so extra. I don't even know what to say. Yeah, what do you think, Mark?
The speakers aren't bad. There's
No.
quite a bit of dynamic range
Yeah.
for what it is. And, you know, like if you do want something a little bit nicer, like studio monitors, which you won't really get that much benefit out of with consumer
No,
cassettes.
I mean, it's tape, right?
Yeah.
That's cool. I like that.
Oh, and it gives you that...
It's got that crunch because it's going to be playing the Bluetooth through the tape, which is cool. So you can kind of get the tapey thing.
The effect.
Yeah, exactly.
That's actually kind of cool.
Yeah, I'm into it.
If you need a Bluetooth speaker and you're into tapes, this is pretty cool.
It's pretty loud. Oh. Okay, well, it doesn't rewind the song, which is sad, and the tape reels are fake, which is fine.
But it fast forwards it.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
It sounds like a pretty cheap Bluetooth speaker, to be perfectly honest. And I don't know if that's because it's coming through the heads, but there's no real bass, there's no real...
Or maybe that's the vibe it's going for.
Maybe that's a vibe, yeah. You know, crappy bedroom speakers kind of thing.
Make everything sound like
Garbage.
a cassette.
Yeah.
I got a tape. I got this here.
Oh my gosh, what do you have?
This is from my Japanese class when I was in elementary school.
Okay.
それでは君も僕たちと一緒に来て本当にできるの?
I don't know if that's the recording or the speakers.
I don't know. Even though the internal speakers are kind of garbo, I mean, they're not bad. They're serviceable, absolutely. It does have a 3mm audio out, which means you could plug it into normal things, and I'm sure it would be fine. I mean, it looks like a normal tape deck, so I'm sure it'd be okay. I think for $150, this is probably something pretty cool to pick up. It's not super huge, like a giant normal tape deck. It's about the size of a tape.
This would be an amazing gift.
Yes. Yeah.
I don't think anybody who has a large collection of tapes or just wanting to get into tapes would be unhappy with this as a gift.
No, like if you got a Gen A kid,
Yeah.
and he's like, I like tapes, they're cool, this would probably be awesome. Maybe a good pair of speakers or something else would be awesome too. The Bluetooth module is kind of a little bit, it just turns it into a Bluetooth speaker and it looks cool.
It's a little gimmicky.
It's a little gimmicky, but I think that's still pretty neat, especially because it's got the reel-to-reels on there. Now, we do have another one, which is for CDs.
Dan, it's been such a long time since I listened to a CD. Also, this is like so disappointing. They could have called it Long Time No CD.
Okay.
Such a missed up. No!
So unlike tape, I think CDs are kind of a dumb thing to collect because they're basically pure digital. There's no like moving bits and bobs, and even though they're very high quality because they're mastered to Redbook standards, they're more like a novelty. At least with something like vinyl or tape, you have a bit more of the analog niceties. Vinyl is basically like black magic, and tape is a little bit more easy to understand. I can't see the appeal of CDs, although I can see the appeal of this being clear. That's sick.
Yeah.
Look at that. That looks really nice. Micro B, they got rid of all the goodwill.
There's also an audio output and a couple switches. It looks like on-off for battery.
Okay.
And then this is Wi-Fi?
Could be. Maybe this one's Bluetooth as well.
Oh, we also have more buttons over here. So you got your typical play, pause, or stop, and then forward, so moving the track forward, and then back.
It might be a repeat.
Repeat?
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's like going to the start of the track.
Could be.
Might be double press to go back. I don't know. And a volume wheel.
This is speakers.
Oh, this connects to this.
Oh, cool.
Oh, these are.
Yeah,
oh, wait,
look at that.
hold on.
It's got little contacts in there, so you can clap on the speaker. It's got magnets on both sides, so I guess we can take the cover and slap that on the bottom, and we could slap this on the top where the speaker would go, and it would protect the CD.
Oh.
Which is kind of neat. And then can this go on the bottom as well? Yes, but not really. Doesn't like going that way. Now, do we have any CDs?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we got all the good stuff.
Yeah.
Kingdom Hearts.
Prozac.
We've got some more cartoons. Creed. Oh, that's that one Radiohead song.
Yeah.
Woke.
Oh, this is relevant.
Yeah. Aqua, one of my favorites.
Yeah.
And can we even show this? I mean, editor, I think you're gonna have to probably like blur that. Sorry.
Why?
Because it says naked. All right, I want to listen to Prozac. So we're putting alkali batteries in this. They're claiming about 6 to 8 hours of battery life with Bluetooth on, but you know, maybe don't do that if you like the environment at all. That's a lot of batteries.
Ooh.
I'm Simon. This is Milo. I'm Milo. Well,
Hi, Simon.
'twas so long ago.
That's great. That's good. The speakers aren't very good though, unfortunately.
No.
It does have Bluetooth, but I guess we go to Bluetooth speakers. This one doesn't have
I
Bluetooth
see, I
input,
see.
which I guess is super reasonable, because why would you want that?
Can we pair this to the other one?
I'm Simon. This is Milo.
Oh my god, it does work. So now we're playing the CD player to the tape player. I hate this. I don't know, that's kind of cool actually. So there we go.
That's cool.
This is now the worst vintage piece of kit I've ever seen. Actually, bonus to NINM. It's got too many consonants. They're like the same exact footprint left to right, so
yeah.
it fits on it really quite nicely. All right, what's this one?
It's just okay.
This one's just okay.
It's okay too.
It's okay. Okay, so this one looks like a small little lunchbox. So it's got the flippy up thing. Again, I really like the clear. It lets you see all the guts. Same as the other ones, we've got USB, battery charging, Bluetooth, and an audio out. And this one also takes, well, batteries, although it takes 2.
Wait, so, okay, I'm a little disappointed by this.
Why?
I was hoping this would have a record.
No.
Because like, that was the whole point of little portable units like this, is you could like record yourself memos. Yeah, like that. Damn, you look cool.
Oh, it does have Bluetooth, so we could Bluetooth into that one, but you know, whatever. Same sort of thing as the other one, throw the tape in here and it goes whoop, and then it plays the tape. I like this one. This one's kind of nice because you could take it to school and be either laughed out of existence or everybody would think you're hip and neat. So let's have a look here. So this little CD player guy, which is pretty nice. Again, I really like the form factor of all of these. Again, perfect gift, perfect type of, just a really nice entryway into something. CD player is about $118 and this one's about $102. Again, even though they're like plastic completely, the build quality feels surprisingly good. Like they're really quite sturdy.
Oh wow, that's heavier than I thought.
It is. It's nice, heavy, thick gauge stuff. Really, really surprisingly nice. I am pleasantly surprised for once, especially with a weird product like this. If I was going to buy one of these, I don't think I'd carry on a Walkman again. I actually really kind of like this. My problem is I already have a tape deck at home. I've got a Bang & Olufsen Master System from about the mid-1970s. So I'm good, and CDs are dumb. You know, just having Prozac, like maybe it's a nostalgia thing.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think the format is cool, but I think the kind of vibe is cool.
Yeah, I mean, I would be very happy to receive this as a gift.
Me too.
I have a lot of tapes, and I don't have a platform to play it on. So something like this would be actually great if I had the incentive to play it more. This, I don't know. It's cool, I guess. I wouldn't care if I received this or bought it. Like, I would not pay money for this.
I don't think I would pay money for that. I would probably pay money for both of these. This one is kind of neat, even just as a really nice small form factor little, because you don't want to buy a giant box. This can tuck away. It's about the same size as like 3 CDs or something like that. And you just plug it into a good set of speakers and you're good to go.
And also
You know.
the magnetic aspect. Being
aspect.
able to put it on your fridge.
Putting
or
it on the
like-
fridge, you're making breakfast or something like that. You can listen to the dulcet tones of Aqua.
So would you be interested in something like this? Do you collect tapes, CDs? Really, that's it. Let us know in the comments below, and hopefully see you next time. You'll see.
Poggers.